Hello, dear St. Andrews School students. Greeting of the day. We hope you are staying home and staying safe. For the meantime, till the schools are not allowed to open, we will study through videos. And today we will study English, and the topic is the sentences. Take out your pen and a paper and start making some points. Because in the end of this video, I will give you some question and some small kind of assignments. Let's start now. Sentences. A sentence is a group of words that make complete sense and express a thought. I repeat the definition. A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense and express a thought. Student, a sentence is divided into two main parts, that is subject and predicate. The first part of sentence is called subject. It describes the person or things that perform action. That is subject. And the second part is predicate. Predicate, the second part of a sentence is called predicate. It describes about the action performed by the subject. For example, Sumit saw a blind man on the road. Sumit saw a blind man on the road. If we see Sumit, the first part of sentence Sumit, it is subject, and the second part, that is saw a blind man on the road, it is predicate. Let us see another example of it. The young man is washing his clothes. The young man here is subject, and the second part is washing his clothes is predicate. Now dear students, sentences. Now we discuss the definition of sentence, and the sentence is divided into two parts, that is subject and predicate. The first part is subject and the second part is predicate. Now further, sentences are divided into four types, or we can call it kinds of sentences. There are four kinds of sentences. First one is declarative sentence, second one is interrogative sentence, third one is imperative sentence, and fourth one is exclamatory sentences. Okay, now we'll discuss one by one. So listen carefully students. First one is declarative sentences. What is this? So let us see the example or definition of it. A simple statement is called a declarative sentence. It states or declares sentence. It states or declares a fact. A declarative sentence may be positive or negative. Once again, I'll repeat the definition. A simple statement is called a declarative sentence. It states or declares a fact. A declarative sentences may be positive or negative. Student, let's see the example of this. Rohan is a student. Let us see another example. The earth moves around the sun. To change the positive sentence into negative sentence, we add not, never, or none in these kind of sentences to change this sentence into negative sentences. Let's see example of it. He has no problem. We added no in this now, so it becomes negative sentence. He has no problem. Let us see another example, that is he does not go to market. He does not go to market. Okay. Now second kind of sentence is interrogative sentence. As a name suggests, interrogative, a sentence that asks a question is called an interrogative sentence. An interrogative sentence often starts with a question mark, like WH question: what, who, when, why, where, how, or which. WH questions like what, who, when, where, why, whom, how, or which. For example, what is your name? What is your name? And second example, Where do you live? An interrogative sentence always end with question mark, students. This is a now third one is imperative sentence. What is imperative sentence? Let's see the example along with definition. A sentence that give a command, order, and advise or make a request or a wish is called an imperative sentence. Let's repeat the definition. A sentence that give a command, order, and advise or makes a request or a wish is called an imperative sentence. For example, do not make noise. Do not make noise. Student, this is command. Second one is come here. Come here. Student, this is order. And third one is please bring me a glass of water. Please bring me a glass of water. This is request, student. So till now we have discussed sentence, definition of sentence. There are four kinds of sentence. First one is declarative, interrogative, imperative, and the fourth and last one is exclamatory sentence. Definition of exclamatory sentence. A sentence that expresses a sudden or strong feeling is called an exclamatory sentence. A sentence that expresses a sudden or strong feeling is called exclamatory sentence. For example, wow, what a beautiful scenery. Let's see another example of this. How hot the day is. How hot a day is. It's followed by exclamatory mark. Okay. An exclamatory sentence always end with an exclamation marks. So students, today we discussed what is sentence and kind of sentence along with definition and example of each. I hope you understood this. And students, I'll give you some small kind of assignment that you will receive through WhatsApp. In your group you will get that homework. I'll explain some example like fill in the blanks with suitable subjects given in the bracket. And second question is read the sentences and state whether the following sentences are declarative, interrogative, or exclamatory. Thank you students. I hope you like this video. Stay home, stay safe, and like this video, subscribe the channel and forward this to your classmates, your friends. And if you are having any doubts, you can ask me later. Thank you students. Thanks for watching this. Thank you.